guys, what's up? Welcome to SuperWowStyle. This is Prachi and today we are going to talk about hairstyles, hair care, all things hair, because I recently attended a masterclass, an exclusive masterclass with Elton John Fernandez, this celebrity hairstylist, makeup artist. You might have heard about him, right? He works with all these gorgeous women from Bollywood and all these beautiful models who always seem to have perfect hair. Like, when I'm browsing through Instagram through these pages and I'm like, how is it that their hair is always perfect in spite of all the shoots and everything? And if you actually watch my YouTube videos, you'll see that half the time my hair is a complete mess. So Elton actually shared a bunch of really good tips, and do you see, by the way, how my hair is looking today? It's looking soft, silky, shiny, smooth, right? Not like it usually does. He talked a lot about coconut oil as well. So I actually used coconut oil today before shampooing my hair. Just 20-30 minutes I left it on and then I just shampooed my hair, and the difference is so visible. My hair loved it. Like, it absolutely loved it. Even Elton totally vouches for coconut oil, and he says that a lot of celebrities actually use coconut oil. So yeah, that's like something which is very interesting, which I learned. And he was talking about the hairstyles. I'm talking about two hairstyles today. One is an office look and one is a party look. Very simple. Like, if I can do it, so can you. The first one, the office look, which is inspired by Ariana Grande's high ponytail. Whenever I've tried high ponytails, it just keeps falling down. And so he just shared some tips as to how to actually keep your ponytail nice, perky, and all that cute flirty look that you want for your hair. How to get that? It's actually very simple to get that look, guys. You'll not believe how simple it is. Just a few tricks. So first, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a little bit of coconut oil. I have some coconut oil right here, and I'm just gonna massage this between my palms like this to kind of heat it up a little bit. Okay, there's a great way to prep up your hair, because it just, first of all, coconut oil, by the way, did you know this, guys? Coconut oil is the only oil which penetrates the hair 10 layers deep. And I know we all like to follow international celebrities, international trends, but honestly, in India, with all the dust and pollution, coconut oil is such a good fit, because it can reverse pollution related damage by 100%. Isn't that so cool? And to be very honest, a lot of international celebrities these days have also started using coconut oil, talking about coconut oil. So guys, first what I'm going to do is I'm just going to brush through my hair really well, okay? So brushing the hair over and over again, and kind of just getting all the hair in place is so important. Otherwise, you'll just end up with a lot of hair sticking out from here and there, which you obviously don't want. And Elton talked a lot about saucer plate and dinner plate to kind of help you keep in mind how to go about with this. So first, we're actually making a saucer plate. I'm just taking the hair on my crown really, and the saucer plate size of it is what I really want here. And I'm just going to tie up my hair, okay? I'm just going to tie up my hair. So this will actually help in keeping the hair on the crown in place, which I think is such an important thing when you're making a high pony. And then I'm just going to go ahead, brush my hair again. When you're making a high pony, it's very important to align your hair, or rather your pony, in a correct way with this thing. So just turn around when you're making your hairstyle, okay? Just turn around, look at yourself in the mirror, and just make sure that this is looking all right, even when you bend your face and when you're doing this, okay? So when I'm doing this, it's not looking nice. I'm just gonna go slightly higher up, okay? And do you see how is this looking? Okay, this is looking fine. And I'm just gonna tie up my hair once again. So you can use bungee bands. That's what Elton recommended. I don't have bungee bands, so I'm just working with whatever I have. So I've tied up my hair, but here's not where we're gonna stop, okay? I'm gonna tie up my hair one more time to give my hair that extra lift. So just gonna brush through the hair again to smoothen everything out. And I'll just tie my hair about 1 inch from where I had tied my hair the last time, okay? So I'm just gonna tie my hair up. And guys, I'm just adding a few hair clips here to kind of give it a more dressy look. This is obviously completely optional. If you want, you can wear it as it is without the hair clips. You can also add a few hair clips like this to kind of give it a more dressy look. And yeah, that's it. That is my hairstyle. And if you're someone who gets a lot of flyaways, what you can do is take a little bit of coconut oil. Yes guys, coconut oil actually has a lot of uses. It's absolutely amazing. Just take a bit of coconut oil and do this, okay? Just apply it to your hair to just tame those flyaways. In fact, very interestingly, because coconut oil is the only oil, like I just said, it goes 10 layers deep. If you want to use some tongs or something to kind of add a bit of hairstyle, you can actually use coconut oil for heat protection as well. So whether you're using straighteners, whether you are using tongs, you can actually apply a bit of coconut oil and then just go ahead and then use your heating devices. It gives you the hairstyle that you want, and your hair also stays protected because of the coconut oil. So moving to the next hairstyle, guys. First I'll detangle my hair. Honestly though, my hair doesn't need much detangling today because it's well nourished, it's moisturized. Even scientifically, coconut oil actually has been proven to be far superior to other oils. Since I've been learning about coconut oils, I'm actually amazed, which is why I'm talking so much about it in today's video. So guys, moving to the next hairstyle, as you can see, I've made a regular regular low bun. Then take a ribbon. You can use actually any piece of cloth that you want also, instead of a ribbon. Elton did mention that using velvet is also a really, really good idea. So what I'm doing is I'm just tying up the ribbon around my ponytail, okay? So I have two sides here. I'm going to start making a braid, and here's a trick. So when you're sectioning out your hair for the braids, make sure that two of the sections have a piece of the ribbon, okay? I hope I'm making sense here. Two of the sections have a piece of the ribbon, and then just simply make your braid like you regularly would. And then just wrap it up in a bun using bobby pins. And here's a very interesting tip I learned from Elton on using bobby pins, okay guys? When you're using bobby pins, don't open it with your teeth, okay? Like even I used to do that. But here's a problem: when you open the bobby pin with the teeth, it opens up too wide. So when you're sliding it into your hair, it just takes in a lot of hair initially, and then when you keep sliding it in, it doesn't take any of the rest of the hair. So it doesn't actually serve your purpose very well. The bobby pin doesn't fit in very well when you open it that wide, okay? And I'm also going to use this cute little clip. This is again of course optional, but just want to add like a nice dressy look, so I'm just going to use this little clip. And guys, if you have flyaways, if you want, you can tame your flyaways like I did the last time. This time I just want to leave the flyaways as it is and have some hair sticking out for a cute messy look. And let me just show you how my hair is looking at this point. So yes, this is the final look. This is how my hair is looking. It's a very cute party updo. It's cute, it's messy, and I love the fact that it's actually so easy to create. And yes guys, that's all I wanted to share in today's video. These are the two easy peasy hairstyles that I want to share with you all today. And like I mentioned for multiple times today guys, if you're not using coconut oil, start using coconut oil in your hair care routine. You can use it before your shampoo. You can use it for for prepping up your hair while styling your hair. You can use it for heat protection. Coconut oil is amazing guys. Ever since that masterclass, since I have started using coconut oil more regularly in my hair care routine, I've actually seen a tremendous difference. It creates a barrier to prevent moisture loss. And honestly, if you actually see even international celebrities like Jennifer Aniston, celebrities like Victoria Beckham, women who are known to have beautiful tresses, even they vouch for coconut oil. And I think in India we have this trend, we kind of forget what we have been taught to use, and then just start following international trends, and when they actually enter the West, we start using it again. So I think coconut oil is just something which everybody needs to include in their routine, especially if you're in India. With all the dust and pollution, this is something which can really help in preventing and reversing all the damage. So yes guys, that's all I wanted to share in today's video. I really hope you found this video useful, learned some important tips about hair care and some amazing easy hairstyles. Like I said, if I can do it, you can do it too. Try it out guys, it's super easy, okay? And guys, once you try these hairstyles, please post your pictures on Instagram and tag me. And what I'll do is, once you tag me to the pictures, I'll actually repost your pictures and share them with everybody else to see as well. And yes, if you have any tips, any tricks up your sleeves, don't forget to share them with me in the comment section below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, turn the bell icon for notifications guys, and keep coming back to SuperWowStyle for more. Thank you so much for watching. This is me, Prachi, signing off now. Bye bye.